Today we are going to stain our beehives. We've got the horses out and just a 2x4 across so we could hang them on there. And we are using, you can read that, the Minwax Golden Pecan to stain our beehive. And we're just doing the outside. You don't want to stain the inside where the bees are going to be. And we have paper down just so it doesn't get on the concrete. Let's get to it. Here's a little side-by-side comparison. These two on the right have already been stained with one coat. Still need to do the ones on the left. I really like how the stain really makes those joints pop. The next step is to apply polyurethane, and I'll be adding several coats to make sure the wood on this beehive is well protected and lasts for a long time. Alright, here we are, day 2. We've let the stain dry overnight and we're ready to put on the urethane. We're going to be using this Helmsman Spar Urethane Clear Semi-Gloss, and this is made, as you can see, for sunlight, rain and moisture, temperature changes. It's made for outdoor furniture, exterior doors, window, etc. So we want to put at least 3 coats of this on our beehive bodies and equipment. So ideally this will last quite a while. Okay, the first coat of urethane is on. We'll wait 4 hours and start the next coat. Here goes the second coat. Alright, the first 2 coats are now dry. We're going to start our third coat. Alright, that's 3 coats of urethane. We'll let this dry overnight and see how it looks tomorrow. Here's the finished product. We just brought out a couple of boxes just to give you an idea of what the finished product looks like. We have our hive stand all finished, and here's a look at the hive with those 3 coats of urethane. Looks good. Thanks for visiting Fuller Farm. Remember to like, comment, and if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Have a great week.